our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Rao Inderjit Singh, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1, class 8 of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Statistics and Program of Implementation.
Secretary General. Ms. Sopa.
Respected Chairman, sir, आपके अनुमति से आज का कार्यसूची में मेरा नाम के सामने
Okay, we can take it after paper laying. After this.
Respected Chairman, sir, आपका अनुमति से आज का कार्यसूची में मेरा नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखती हूँ.
Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Suresh Gopi, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1, class C of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas.
Shri Chadi Chandra Dubey.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने कर्म संख्या 1 के घ पर उल्लेखित कागजातों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
श्री संजय सेठ.
Of the House, a copy each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1E in today's list of business.
Shri Tohan Shagu.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 च पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं. धन्यवाद.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 5th of December 2025 passed the Health Security Say National Security Cess Bill 2025. The Speaker has certified that this bill is a money bill within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy of the said bill on the table.
Honourable members, a supplementary list of business for consideration and return of the Health Security, say National Security Cess Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha has been issued now and uploaded on the multimedia devices and members portal. A copy of the bill was circulated to members electronically through members portal on Friday evening after 6 p.m. Members who decide to submit notices of amendments to the said bill may do so now electronically through the e-notices portal, latest by 12 noon. Notices so received will be processed for being admitted subject to fulfillment of all requisite procedural formalities and the conditions of admissibility stipulated under Rule 96 of the Rule of Procedures and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha. Notices received after 12 noon will, however, not to be processed.